In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error code, which is 2803, which says the installer has encountered an unexpected error installing this package, this may indicate a problem with this package. So we are going to see this quick solution for that. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, first of all, what we'll do is just open up Google Chrome. And we want to search here for Visual C++ redistributable. And from here, we will get the latest supported Visual C++ distributable downloads from the official website of Microsoft. Just click on that. And from here, just scroll here. In the version, you will get the latest version separately mentioned here. Just click on this. And it depends on whatever Windows version you are using. I'm using 64-bit, so I'll use this one. Just click on it and it will start downloading on our right. And once that is done, just click on it to install. Click I agree, click on install again, click yes. And here it says setup successful, close out of here. You might need to restart your computer after that. And that is how we fix this error. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.